Hello, my friends. Here's question number 6 in Kangaroo questions 2019 5 and 6. Number 6 question: which of the following geometric figure is not this design? Which one of these is not in our design? The first one is a triangle, and I think we have here a triangle. So that triangle is included in our design. So this is okay. I'm asking now about which is not in this design. The square. Here we have a square. So the square also include in our design. The hexagon. We know that the hexagon consists of 6 faces. So we have here hexagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the hexagon include in our design. And if you count letter E, do this again. Here, if you count these sides, okay, you will find it with the same number. So this also include in our design, but the octagon not in our design. So all of them we can find it, but the octagon no. So the right answer is letter D. Thank you.